Hey everyone, so today we're going to be undertaking a somewhat big job. We are going to be painting all of the chrome trim on my 85Z. So the non-turbos from factory came with chrome trim, which mine was. It was a 85 NA converted to turbo. If you have the turbo model, then it's already going to be black trim, but maybe yours is faded and you want to redo it. So today we're going to be doing that, and what I'm going to be using is this SEM trim black. I believe this is the satin finish. I'm not going to get it all done today because it is a pretty big job, so I'll just be doing section by section because we got to do the T-tops, door trims, we have the quarter window trims, the trunk, we have the windshield molding, and then we have the cowl down here, and depending on how everything looks, I might even do the chrome that's around the handles. So it's a pretty big job. I'm just going to do part by part. There's not going to be a lot of talking in this video. I'm just going to be running you guys through what I got to do, and then we'll just film it from there. So obviously we're going to tape and newspaper everything up. You have to scuff up the chrome so that it has, or so the primer and the paint has something to stick to. I'm just going to be using like a Scotch-Brite or something, and once that's done, we'll kind of wipe everything down with wax and grease remover, and then we can put on a few coats of the primer, and then we'll do the SEM black trim paint, and we'll see how it looks. So I'll put the camera down and we'll get started. Alright, so it's been about 2-3 weeks. Slowly been getting through everything part by part, but everything is all finished up, and as you can see, it's got a really nice satin finish. This paint goes on very easily and it self-levels itself, so it doesn't leave any orange peel or anything like that. I think it turned out really good. Just giving you guys here a look at everything. You can just see, like, even on the really big panels here, it comes out very smooth. You don't see any strokes from laying the paint on or anything. We've got the door trims. I did the door handles as well. I did the entire handle, not just the chrome. Turned out really good. T-tops. We've got the entire windshield molding. And then we've got the cowl at the bottom. And we've got the quarter windows, the trunk. These pieces came off. And that's pretty much it. As you guys saw, it was a lot of painting, a lot of taping. Probably went through 2 rolls of tape, 2 cans of primer, and about 1.5 cans of the SEM trim black paint. Anyways guys, hopefully you like this video, and I highly recommend this paint if you decide to do yours. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.